beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic it shocked me like I don't understand. I don't understand what this world they turn it to again. I don't understand. Sometimes some kind things wey dey happen they make me dey fear that Naija. They make me dey fear that Africa. Oh, my darling people. After 70 years for Europe, after many years, this woman, this Yoruba woman, she can say, make she surprise her family. My darling people, things they happen, sha. You can say me surprise the family without no go even tell them say she dey come, now she can't come Nigeria. As she come, all of the come they shock when they see am. They come hold am, all of the come they happy. The one where they cry, they cry. The one where they jolly, they jolly. They come they happy. The way they take grab her, because she surprised them. They no expect say she go come, my darling people. This life no balance, so the life no balance. She come the people come they happy say she don't come, my darling people. After how many weeks when this woman just come, now this woman, now we hear say she don't die, my darling people. Now we hear say she don't meme o na RIP now. The thing shocked everybody, shock everybody. Say somebody will just visit. We say me can say visit a family after 17 years. Now UK, now this woman they stay, my darling people. Things they happen. Does it mean say when they put fear for people, but then I say may they not come that Africa again? I be waiting. Waiting they happen. Waiting they play. I fear will not fear Africa people. I fear will not fear them because sometimes I they wonder. The thing they shockalize me sometimes. Somebody will never come Africa for 17 years. She come now, she come go with me for Nigeria there. Now wow. Now wow. It just be like that ship we still go Nigeria after how many years. That's so they see kill that man that time too. Wait till they happen. Una they use it direct, they tell us maybe we not they come Africa again. Maybe we not they come Africa again. Now they try tell us. Wait till they happen. Wait till they play. Wait till they happen. God, I fear I fear when I see am. I say, God, wait till they happen. My darling people. And the matter, I don't want to do this video made too long because the thing really pain me, you know. After 70 years, make she go visit. Now she not come back again. People don't like better things, sha. Now so that chief where they made that time, chief will come say one come help the community. If they even spray money, they give people. At the end, they payment the man. At the end, they payment the man. My darling people, things they read the apple. Things the apple for this world. If people they hear this kind of thing now, how they want to go that Africa? Though they fear. Though they fear to go Africa. Though they fear go enter their body. Because of what they happen these days. Fear go enter them. They don't go get that mind again say they want to go Africa. That make you see some people. You go say la say you know they go Africa. You know they go Africa. You know they go Africa because of what they happen. Because of the things where they see. Either they say kidnapper, maybe they can't kidnap you. Either they send all those killer them, you know. So that's the thing. Person go they go in your country, go they fear. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that. Person go they go in your country. You go they even fear to want go there. Go they fear. Why? Why it be like that, my darling people? Things they happen for this world. Maybe they use our candle shade. Maybe they use our HQ. Things dey happen for that Africa. Things dey happen mentally, people. When I see this video, the thing, if fear me, because why? You dey go your own country, you go dey fear. Why it be like that? If you dey go other African countries, it not be like that. It not be like that. You go dey free to the waka. But if you dey go your own country, you go dey fear. I know of one girl wey go Africa that time too. She go Africa finish, she no fit come back again. They change her face. You know, now only the wish wey Africa people they eat, now only to kill, only to spoil. They know they eat better wish. They can never eat better wish. They can never eat wish wey be say you go do better thing for that Nigeria. Only wish to spoil that they eat for that Africa. Why it be like that? Why? Only wish to spoil. Now only that one that they do for that Africa. Better wish they can never eat. No, what you consign them? Only to spoil, only to spoil, only to spoil, my darling people. Why it be like that? Why will our life be like that? Why? Why? I fear. As in when I see this video, the thing, it just fear me. Say, God, how the family go they fear? Just the reason now. Somebody come for visit at the end, na RIP. Person come for visit at the end. Now to just meme, na come there. Why? Why life be like that? Why? Why things be like that? My darling people, Maybe we dey pray for ourselves, maybe we dey pray. If you person wey dey do bad, change, because you wey the meme person, you go still go one day. You go still go one day. Now so it be. Now so it just be. There's no two ways about it. Now so it be. So maybe they use our HQ, because you where they do bad, you go still go one day. Now so it be. Now so it just be. So maybe we learn to do good things for this life. If you now see who they progress, pray say make God will do you. You may see do your own. Not be say we go the jealous each other. We go the meme each other. It's not good. It's not good. This family now, the pains who I put them part two not them. Somebody just come for visit after 70 years, come surprise a family. At the end, now happy na come be the na they come do to the family. And wow, I just pray may I so rest the perfect peace, my darling people. What we go do? We go only do the one we will feel do. I pray may God receive his soul. May God just give the family the strength to feel forget the loss, because it's not easy. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.